Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will explain complete details about France visit visa for Indian passport holders in 2026. If you are planning for tourism, family visit, or short business trip to France, this video is for you. So watch till the end. First, understand one important thing. France comes under the Schengen visa category. That means if you get a France visa, you can travel to other Schengen countries like Germany, Italy, Spain, Switzerland and more, for up to 90 days within 180 days. Now let's talk about the visa type. For tourism, you need to apply for a short stay Schengen visa, type C. Documents required. You need valid passport, minimum 6 months validity, 2 recent white background photos, visa application form, cover letter explaining travel plan, confirmed flight tickets, hotel booking or invitation letter, travel insurance minimum €30,000 coverage, last 6 months bank statement, ITR if available, salary slips if employed, company documents if self-employed. Make sure all documents are clear and genuine. Visa fees. The standard visa fee for adults is approximately €80. For children between 6 and 12 years, around €40. Service charges by the visa center are extra. Processing time. Normally, processing time is 15 working days. But during peak season, it may take longer. So apply at least 30 to 45 days before travel. If you need assistance for France visa, Schengen visa, or Europe tour packages, contact our travel agency. We provide checkmark complete documentation support, checkmark appointment booking, checkmark travel insurance, checkmark flight and hotel packages. Call us today for professional guidance. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more visa updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.